Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Students, now let's start question number 4. A track is in the form of a ring whose inner and outer circumferences are 88 meter and 132 meter respectively. Find the width of the track. Students, एक ट्रैक है जो एक रिंग फॉर्म में है, मीन्स उसमें एक इनर सर्कल है एंड एक आउटर सर्कल है. उसकी सरकमफ्रेंस आपको गिवन है, इनर सरकमफ्रेंस भी एंड आउटर सरकमफ्रेंस भी. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको विड्थ फाइंड करनी है उस ट्रैक की. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट सपोज इट इज अ रिंग. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर that is the inner radius, we can write as small r, and students, and that is the outer radius, that means we can write as capital R. Is that clear? Students, we have inner circumference, that means given inner circumference, that is 88 meter. And students, you all know that what is the formula of inner circumference, that is 2 pi, and students, that will be r because it is a inner radius. Okay, small r. Okay students, here r is equal to 88 upon 2 pi. Okay, and students, we can put the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7. This 7 will be here. Okay, 22 4 is 88 and 2 2 is 4. So students, we have r is equal to 2 into 7, that is r is equal to 14 meter. Okay student, that is the inner radius. Okay, now we have outer circumference also. So now outer circumference, that will be here 132 meter. Okay students, so what is the formula? That will be 2 pi and capital R. Why? Because its radius is capital R. Okay, just suppose it is a center. Oh, okay students, so that will be 132. Here R is equal to 132 upon 2 pi, or we can write as R is equal to 132 upon 2. And what is the value of pi? That is 22 upon 7. Okay, so इसे कट कर दीजिए आप. 11 2 जा 22, 11 1 जा 11, 11 2 जा 22. Okay students, 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12. So that means R is equal to, yes students, 3 into 7, that is 21 meter. So that is the outer radius. Okay students, आपको इस ट्रैक की विड्थ बतानी है, that means ये आपको ये विड्थ बतानी है इसकी. सो जस्ट सपोज इज द स्मॉल आर, दैट इज द कैपिटल आर. अगर स्टूडेंट्स इस कैपिटल आर में से मैं ये स्मॉल आर मीन्स इतना ये माइनस कर दूँ तो आपके पास विड्थ आ जाएगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट मीन्स विड्थ ऑफ द रिंग, yes, that will be outer radius minus will be inner radius. Okay students, outer radius we have 21 meter, inner radius we have 14 meter. Okay, so that will be here 7 meter. So 7 meter is your answer. That is the width of the ring. Is that clear? Okay, now the next question is question number 5. Find the area of a circular ring whose inner and outer radii are 16 cm and 19 cm respectively. Okay student, that means एक circular ring है जिसकी inner and outer radii given है आपको. Okay students, so just suppose it is a circular ring. Okay students, whose inner radii means radius ही है students. inner का means जो inner circle है उसकी radius, that is small r, or we can write as small r, that is given 16 centimeter. Okay students, and students, outer radii, that means outer radius is 19 meter. Okay, that is outer radius, or we can write as capital R, or that is given 19 centimeter. Okay. So student, that is the inner radius. If just suppose it is a O, that means center, and that is A and that is B. Okay students. Now student, that is inner radii, that is outer radii. Okay, now we have to find the area of this circular ring, means आपको इसका area find करना है. Okay, so students, अगर इसमें whole circle के area में से ये inner circle वाला area माइनस कर दूँ, so आपके पास circular ring का area बचेगा. Okay, let me tell you again. If जो ये सर्कल है आपके पास आउटर सर्कल में से अगर मैं इनर सर्कल माइनस कर दूं, ओके, सो आपके पास क्या बचेगा, ये एरिया बचेगा ना आपके पास. सर्कुलर रिंग मीन्स ये आपका सर्कुलर रिंग है. सो जस्ट सपोज वी हैव इनर रेडियाई, दैट मीन्स स्मॉल आर, एंड स्टूडेंट्स कैपिटल आर, दैट इज 19 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स एरिया ऑफ इनर सर्कल, yes, what will be pi small r square. Students, now pi into 16 into 16, that will be 16 multiplied 16, that is 256 pi centimeter square. Okay, so that is the area of inner circle. Okay, now let's find area of outer circle. Okay, now area of outer circle, so that will be pi into capital R square. Okay, where capital R is equal to 19 square, that means 19 into 19. So that will be 361 pi centimeter square. Okay students, is that clear? So student, that is the area of outer circle. And so students, अब हमने outer circle का भी area find कर लिया and inner circle का भी. So students, अगर इस outer circle के area में से मैं inner circle के area को minus कर दूँ, so आपके पास ये क्या आ जाएगा, shaded region, that means circular ring. Clear? So let's do it. Now area of the circular ring, that will be area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Okay, so outer circle we have 361 pi and inner circle we have 256 pi. Okay students, so that will be here 105 pi. Okay students, so we can put the value of pi also, that is 105, and we can write as 22/7 with the place of pi. So here 7 ones are 7 and 7 fives are 35. So we have 15 into 22. Now we can multiply here 15 to the 30 and 15 to the 30, then 33. So that means 330 centimeter square. That is the area of this circular ring. Okay? Okay. Now the next question is question number 6. In a circular garden of 50-meter radius, a pond is constructed in the form of a circle with radius 20. Find the area of the land left out. Okay student, that means एक circular garden है जो 50 मीटर रेडियस का है. ओके, एंड जो पॉन्ड है वो ऐसे कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया है एक सर्कल की फॉर्म में जिसकी रेडियस 20 मीटर है. सो अब आपको एरिया बताना है, जो अब एरिया बचा है आपके पास. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so students, we will draw a circular garden. Okay, so just suppose it is a circular garden. Okay, and student, that is the radius of 50 meter. Okay, now I will construct a pond. Okay, with the radius 20 meter. अब हमें इसमें एक pond और construct करना है 20 meter का. Okay, so let's draw it. So student, just suppose it is a pond. Okay, so student, that is 20 meter. Okay, ये एरिया आपको फाइंड करना है. स्टूडेंट्स, as you all know that this is a concentric circle. एंड स्टूडेंट, जैसे हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन किया है वो भी कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल था, हम उसके एरिया के फॉर्मूले से फाइंड कर सकते थे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये हम कॉन्सेंट्रिक के एरिया से फाइंड करते हैं. स्टूडेंट, दैट इज कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल. वाई? बिकॉज इट्स सेंटर इज सेम. ओके, मीन्स जो सेंटर है सर्कल का वो क्या है, सेम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट इज द इनर रेडियस of inner circle. Okay students, we can write as small r, and that is the outer radius of outer circle, that is capital R. Okay students, so here inner radius that is small r, that is given 20 meter, okay, and outer radius, that is capital R, and that will be 50 meter, okay. And students, you all know that what is the area of the concentric circle. So students, area between two circle, okay. So students, here area of the land left out, okay. जो अब आपके पास land है उसका एरिया कैसे फाइंड करेंगे हम, दैट मीन्स इस शेडेड पोर्शन का एरिया हम फाइंड करेंगे. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला हियर, दैट इज पाई capital R square minus small r square. Students, that is the formula of concentric circles, okay. Is that clear? And students, we have pi, that is capital R square, that is 50 square, small r square, that is 20 square, okay. So here pi, that is 2500, that is 400. So we have pi into 2100, or we can put the value of this pi, that will be 22/7 into 2100. 7 3s are 21, so that means 300. So we have 22 into 300, that will be 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and that is 6600 meter square. So that is the area of this land out, okay. So students, hence area of the land left out, that will be 6600 meter square. So that is your answer, okay students. Okay, so now that's all for today. And students, if you have any doubts, so you can comment to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.